Hi and welcome to my channel. My name's Marina and today I'm going to unbox my, I think it's my third glitter bitch box. So I went ahead and did my makeup. I did my transition shade, but I haven't done anything other than that. So no mascara, only the transition shade, but other than that I think it turned out pretty well. I used this highlighter that I had shattered, so I have it in like this little thing, and I don't remember where it's from, but it looks pretty nice. So a very nice like neutral kind of look. I did my eyes like this just in case there was some more glitter, so maybe we'll pop some glitter on the eyes and see how that works out. So let's go ahead and dive into it. So here is the Glitter Bitch box. I can show you without getting my head in the way. It's the same box that the last two looked like, so let's go ahead and open her. Got little Trisha right there. Ooh, I love this picture with her and her turquoise hair. It turned out so pretty, I think. So I've been using these boxes for my wigs and like my nice shoes that I don't want to just hang up in the closet. So do more of what makes you sparkle. And it's got this little Glitter Bitch card and what you got it. I read what was in here, so, oh my god. I like to save the stickers if I can, but I think that one didn't save. Oh my god, guys. Oh my freaking gosh. Look, 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 look. Wow. So far, I think this is going to be the best one. I don't think I recorded last month's, but it wasn't really that exciting. Like, some glitter came in it, and honestly, I don't remember what else. First, we have the Holiday Sleigh Moisturizing Glitter Body Gel, and it looks like a little ornament, and you just have your little pop thing, and I guess you rub it into your body, and yeah, infused with antioxidants and essential nutrients, this magical lotion with gold glitter will leave your skin feeling radiant. Wow. Okay, so gotta shake it first. Next, I have the Anise A-N-I-I-S-E eye serum. Wow, this retails for $79, guys. This anti-puffiness eye serum formula enriched with botanicals and vitamins help calm and depuff. Visible, reduces inflammation, blah blah blah, helps with sun damage and the production of collagen. Wow. I'm excited to try this. So I'll put this right in our little things. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm so excited, guys. I'm so happy. Okay, so next we have this pink notebook with the little pen. So the notebook retails for $5 and then the pen retails for $3. So they're two separate items. Glitter Bitch pen. A new year is like a blank book and the pen is in your hands. It is your chance to write a beautiful story for yourself. Here is a notebook to write down your New Year's resolutions, a poem, your thoughts and dreams. Here's to an amazing 2020. Okay. Next we have the pink brush container, which retails for $9.99. Use this compact and sturdy container to keep your brushes safe while traveling, then convert it into two stylish brush holders when you get to your destination. And then this retails for $9.99. These brushes, it's a brush set, retails for $12.99. This sparkly brush kit provides a perfect and smooth touch with powder, liquid, cream, or foundation without any absorption of product. And last, but certainly not least, we have a Glitter Bitch scarf. I thought it smelled like vanilla beans for a second. Okay, so it's one of those cute. So I'm kind of sad that there's no glitter in this box, but this is super cute. It says Glitter Bitch all over it. And then we got our little notebook, some glitter body gel, and some brushes. It's actually crazy because I just broke my brush in a previous video. Ooh, these actually look frayed. Let me, okay. So it comes with this little pouch. Ooh. The brush looks kind of rough. Can you guys see? Oh, and that one's all out of whack also. Ooh, they're like pretty firm brushes, so they look like they would be nice. Let me open the brush holder. Ooh. I don't know, that one looks very rough. Can you guys see that little one? Ugh. Right, that one looks fine. Ooh, that looks like a very good flat brush. See that? Now, my only issue with like brushes like these is because if you're unable to, ooh, these feel nice. And so are these. I like the handles on them. The handles are so cute and glittery. If it'll focus. Wow, those are pretty. So overall, I'm very happy. I just broke my contour brush, so I'm pretty sure I can use this one for contour. So I'm very excited about that. This, I honestly don't think I'll ever use this brush. So this is what I got in my Glitter Bitch box for December. I hope you guys liked it. It was, I think, a lot better than the last couple months. I do wish that there was some eye glitter or, well, I guess this is body glitter, so I mean, can't really go wrong with that. So overall, I think it's pretty good. Oh, this pen is cute. Look at the, it's like purple sparkles. And it has Glitter Bitch right there. So overall, I think it was pretty good this month. So I can't wait to get my next one. So in 2 months, I'll get my next box. If you guys liked it, leave a big old thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. If you haven't already, I do have a 50 subscriber giveaway going on. I think I need 2 more subscribers. So if you want to go ahead and check out that video, I'll leave it linked right here, maybe. So make sure you check that out. Remember, 50 subscribers, so I just need 2 more, and then you could win a Jeffree Star Mini Breaker palette. So make sure you like this video, subscribe, and check out that video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye, guys!